Alrighty, so I am here at work. I'll try to do another update, but I just spent way too much money. Well, some of this stuff is from Target store and the teacher store. So from Target, I said Target store. From Target, I like to have plenty of colored pencils at each desk and crayons. Sometimes I get markers. Like I think this time I got a few markers. Maybe somewhere back here, unless I put them back. Okay, so I have crayons and my glue sticks and my color pencils. This bag has some trim and borders. I don't know when I'll ever use this. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. Stickers that I love. Some nice paper. Alright, I made a little bit more room. So my camera cut off, but let me go back really quickly. So here I have a stapler, some letters. Always need letters, and another teacher's book. And in this bag, I have the big posters, stuff, posters and banners to put up, and somewhere, and right here I have 2 more rolls of faded paper. So this will be my new classroom. Teaching 6th grade. My board. I've been upstairs. I know you all, I had like a blue room last year. So this year I have a red. It's burgundy down here on this floor. So let me kind of show outside. You see how bare it is? You know I can't have this right. And here's the hallway. Just that way. Down here is a side door. But that's it. So I'll be busy tomorrow. I have to make this room presentable for kids in one day. Yeah. All right. Bye.
Justice premieres Tuesday, September 3rd at 10 on TNT.
Get those back to the Jeffersonian as quick as possible. If Bones gets the rest of the remains, we should be able to figure out the cause of death.
Looks like these are